Okay, class, today we're going to talk about how to solve a series circuit. And I've got my series circuit drawn. I've got 3 batteries, 1.5 volt, 1.5 volt, and 3 volt. And I've got 2 light bulbs. One has a resistance 2 ohms, one has a resistance 3 ohms, and a resistor, one that has a resistance of 4 ohms. And remember, we treat light bulbs and resistors the same. Anyway, and we have our steps to the right here, our little recipe. So first thing we're going to do is get the total voltage, and to do that we're going to add the voltages. So total V is going to equal 1.5 plus 3, and that is 6 volts. And then we are going to add the resistances for the total R. Should have left myself more room. And 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9 volts. Okay, 4 plus 3 plus 2. Then we're going to find the current. So we're going to take I, it's going to equal to V over R. Okay, so that is going to be 6 volts. That was wrong. Resistance is going to be measured in ohms. 6 volts over 9 ohms, and that is going to be, I believe, 6 divided by 9, yes, I'm using my calculator, 0.66. 0.66, and that's current. It's measured in amps. Make sure you put units. Okay, now I got to find the voltage in each resistor, so I got to do V equals IR 3 times. So V equals 0.66 amps times 2 ohms. So this is the voltage in that first one. Voltage in the second one is 0.66 amps times 3 ohms. And in the last one, it's 66 amps times, it's a 4 ohm resistor. Okay, so let me do that in my calculator. 0.66 times 2 equals 1.32 is a voltage, 1.32 volts. 0.66 times 3 equals 1.98 volts, and this one should be 2.64 volt. 4 volts. Now the cool thing about series circuits is I can check to make sure I did it right, and I can do that by adding these 3 voltages together, and if I did it right I should get 6 volts. Okay, so let's see, 1.32 plus 1.98 plus 2.64 equals 5.94. Okay, so we add those together, we got 5.94, and you guys are all going to tell me, well, that's not the same as 6 volts, but remember, I got 0.66666666. I rounded it to 0.66, and so we lost a little bit in the rounding, so we can assume 5.94 is close enough to 6 that we did this right. Okay, any questions? So that's how you do it. You just have to make sure you follow my little recipe. Can't go wrong. Make sure you're using a series circuit. This is for the one in the circle. Okay.